Hey everybody, it's Dr. G, and this is a very happy day because we're 6 months out from my own hair transplant surgery performed here at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. And I've been getting a million compliments from people in my life about how this hairline has really just fit me and looks so natural. Probably most surprisingly from some of the people in my own family, my mom and sister included, who can't say enough good things about the hairline. But it's been really amazing to just be able to, have the framing of my forehead really match the rest of my face. And it doesn't take much. I'm really getting out of the shower, doing a little blow drying, and the hairstyle is perfectly, it doesn't require that much product. Virtually on most days I'm not using any product at all. I've been to see my stylist to have my hair cut a few times. He is absolutely thrilled with the way it looks. He loves cutting the hair, and as you can see, he did a pretty good job. So shout out to my buddy Sergio for giving me such a great cut. But it's been great. 6 months. In my case, pretty good growth. There might be some still coming. Most of our patients we're gonna wait till 8-9 months to have that full growth, but I couldn't be happier even at 6. So